Felicia, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a BTS tutorial and it's over, I'm fine. So this is another song, part of their Love Yourself Answer album, and I love it so much. I think the I'm fine save me thing, there's definitely a correlation there. So today I'm going to teach you how to dance to the choreo, how to dance to the chorus, and I'm going to teach you guys the choreo. So before we get started, don't forget that you guys can always stop this video, repeat, take your time and learn these moves, because BTS choreographies are typically a lot harder than some of the other choreos. And then don't forget that this video will be mirrored, so just watch me as you normally would. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So first off, we're gonna come in. It's like the last beat of what Jimin says, 괜찮아. He says 괜찮아 twice. So on the 괜찮아, we're gonna come in, we're gonna step with our left foot, and we're gonna slide. Notice how I'm like dragging my right foot, and then my right arm is kind of parallel to the ground, and we're bending kind of low and sliding in. After we slide in, we come together and we're back in a standing position. Now afterwards, we step out left with our left foot, and then this is where Jungkook says, I'm just fine, fine, fine. So on the first fine, step out left, right hand over. Next, step with your right foot and then left hand on your chest. And then the third fine, we step again with our left foot and right hand on our chest. So all together, we're sliding in, come, and right, left, right. I'm speaking right, left, right as if I'm talking by hands. So right, left, right. So after the third fine, we're here with our right hand on our chest and our left foot forward. Next, we're gonna this footwork is a little bit confusing at first, but once you get it, it's actually really easy. So first we jump together, kind of shoulder width apart, our feet are next like this, here. And then the next step, we kick. So imagine your right foot is kicking, but your left foot slides to the middle. So it's a one motion, so it's like this. It's a very small change. It's not a huge jump, but it's like from your stance, you're coming here. So from our stance here, we go step right and step left. So really 4 easy steps. So after, again, from here, the last fine, we're here, step out, come in with our right leg out, and then left foot is sliding in the middle, then right, left. On our left, we're gonna kind of do a point. So the left hand just kind of, it's like in the crevice of your elbow right here, and then we point with our right hand. So in a little faster pace, it's here, here, pa, pa. Afterwards, we're gonna step out with our left foot, and I'm facing my left to my left. So from here, we're gonna do 3 hits. So our left hand kind of gradually slides down. So it kind of goes over our chest, and then our right hand is just, right arm kind of let it loose. 1, 2, 3. And those are the 3 hits we're gonna do. So from here, we did our right, left, and on the left, we hit here. And then we step out. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3 hits. So after we've done 3 hits, then we turn counterclockwise, and we're back to this in front to the audience. So now we turn counterclockwise, right? We just turn, we're back here. Then we jump, left foot crosses in front of the right, here. So simultaneously, our arms does this. So it's 1, here. So we jump and land and hit at the same time. I think of it as like we're washing, or swiping at the dirt on our shirt. So we're doing this 3 times. So we go 1, 2, 3. On the third one is where it's special. So we just jumped 1, 2, 3. Notice I'm going on the third one. When we hit out, that's when my right leg from the back comes and we do a right, left, right. Again, we come here, we just did 1, 2, 3, pull out, and right, left, right. On the second right, I'm leaning to the right. My weight is on my right leg, and then they kind of slide with our hand down under your leg. So again, I'll just do it real quick. So we're going 1, 2, 3, right, left, right. From here, we take your left hand and we say, because Jungkook afterwards says, I'm just fine. So we go, I'm low, just, medium height, fine. 3 times. So it's go low to the left, medium to the right, high to the left. So after we go, I'm just fine, you can take 2 steps. That's when the members kind of do their little formation change. So I just do right, left. Then we're going, I'm feeling just fine, fine, fine. Jimin says that. And then the fine, there's 3 fines. So from here, I'm gonna show you. I'm pushing my leg like this. Like I'm like riding a bicycle kind of. So when we ride the bicycle, our legs are going in a clockwise position, motion. So imagine your right leg is doing that. So from here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. At the same time, my left arm is here, parallel. Just kind of let it loose. It doesn't have to be real stiff, but here, and they kind of do this thing where it's weird because this one is going the opposite direction, but I just kind of like to do like a little hit. Kind of up to you, you do your style. So after we do 3 little kicks, then we quickly step in with our right again, and then we step out with our right again immediately. And we kind of, my hand and arm does this motion. So then we step out to the right, come here, and come back in. Step out to the left, out, let's kind of swipe here and back. So in a little faster motion, we go 1, 2, 3, down, pa, da, pa. And we come back in. So once I come back in, I'm gonna scoot a little bit over this side so you can see. So I'm gonna take my left leg. Remember, right now, all these spins that I'm going to do right now I'm spinning counterclockwise. So I'm taking my left foot and planting it, and we're doing like a little spin kick. So it's like this. It's really hard to explain it except to show you. But I'm planting my left foot down, coming up, kicking with my right, and then once I turn, I'm bringing my left foot up again. Kind of hard to do a slow motion, but it's essentially like that. Take your time, practice with it, have fun with it. It's not an easy move. Okay, so from here, again, we're doing the turn, spin, kick, kind of. So from here, plant, kick, and then I should be facing the audience again, and then immediately I do a kind of a 2 feet jump turn. It's another 360, but instead of kicking, I'm just merely spinning. So immediately after we do the spin, my hand, I kind of do like a little flip, like this. Roll it in and like I'm going like blocking the sun, and then I hit and face the left, and then after he goes, so I hit on shine And he says shine 3 times. All the members hit on shine on different times, but for tutorial's sake, I'm gonna do it on the first shine. So after we do the little 2 feet spin, we go here, block the light, and then shine. He says shine 2 more times, shine, shine. After the 3rd shine, I roll my wrist up, my palm, sorry, this is my palm, oh my gosh. My palm should be facing me, because here we were like this. And then I flip, and then bring it up. So from here, we just did shine, 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 flip, and then we bring it down like we're covering our face, okay? And then afterwards, it's 3 hits. I'm just fine, so I'm just fine. You do 3 hits, but we go low, high, low. You kind of jazzed up, do what you'd like, but I like to go left, I'm, and then I hold my head up, fine, and then I bring my hand down to the right, and then just almost we go right, left, and then my arm goes poof, like I'm pushing something really quick. And then that's because in the circle, they're doing a kind of like a cannon effect where each member goes da 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 da. I don't know if that makes sense describing it, but it's poof. So that is the BTS I'm Fine tutorial. So now I'm going to do the 75% speed, and then I will go ahead and do the full speed as well. For the 75% speed, feel free to do that a couple times before you do the full speed, and then you'll master the choreography. So let's go ahead and start with the 75%. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys give this a like and subscribe if you guys haven't already for more tutorials in the near future. And don't forget my Instagram is felicia.covers. And after my idol challenge semi went viral, I mean it's not super viral, but it's like kinda. A lot of you guys said that maybe I should use a Twitter for this dance account. So my Twitter is also in the description box below. It is Felicia Tay _. And so you guys can find me on there as well. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I really appreciate it, and I will continue to work hard because of your support. It really is my motivation. So thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!